All right, just making a quick video. This is the unboxing of the AmpRoad Epic 300, and in full disclosure, I've actually been using this unit for quite a while now. But I know a lot of you like to see the box and how it's packaged and whatnot, so I have put it back in the box. Not exactly perfect as how it would come from the factory, but pretty close. So let's just take a look at the box real quick. First thing, it's actually a generic box. I think this unit is actually sold under a couple of different brand names. So it doesn't actually say AmpRoad on it anywhere. But the box is, it's pretty informative. Tells you everything, all the specs and stuff. And it's got English and I actually believe Japanese on here. I don't think it's Chinese. Let me know in the comments if you do know, but I believe this unit was sold in North America and Japan, that's why. But yeah, it just kind of gives some of the basic features on PPT, the charging. It's got a pure sine wave inverter. It's got power delivery, USB-C, 60 watt, all the usual stuff, LED lights, and high brightness display. I think they probably meant more like high contrast, which I do like this unit, and I do like the display on it. So let's just jump right into it. Open it up here, and yeah, overall it's a nice compact box, and it's actually very well packaged. Open it up. First thing, inside here you've got the owner's manual, and it would have the AC charging brick and the car charging cable that I really like. I'm gonna make it's kind of a unique thing I haven't seen before. I'm gonna make a quick video on that coming up here soon, so make sure you check that out. And it does have a charging brick, right? So that's not the greatest thing, but this thing just does charge up fast, and it's not perfect. It's a budget unit, but yeah. So overall, you can see here it's got the styrofoam. It's actually extremely well secured. You can actually see the handle kind of poking up through there. But this is like you really gotta really kind of tug on this. So very impressive with that. And you can see this thing. It's like fully wrapped in this foam, and comes in a little bag. And we'll just pull it out right quick. The unit out. Let's turn it on. And like I said, I've actually been using this unit, but from what I remember, it does come around somewhere between like 20 and 30% charged, which is also a good sign. Basically, with these lithium batteries, kind of like around 30% is kind of an ideal charge to have it at for long-term storage. So when they go to ship this thing out, so that's always a good sign. You don't really want a power station to come fully charged, and you definitely don't want it to come completely dead. So yeah, that was something that was actually pretty good with this unit as well. And like I said, check out. I've actually made a quick review on this unit already, so check that out, and I'll have more videos coming.